Hello everyone, so if you want to fix an overheating issues on your Xiaomi Redmi 13, so first of all, avoid playing games while charging. Playing games during charging puts a heavy load on your processor related to overheating, so let the phone charge first and then return to your gaming. The next thing is to disable your speed charging, so open up your settings, scroll down to your battery tab. Here it is, battery. Now find your battery protection, find your limited charging and enable it, because like this it will keep your battery health better. The next thing to do is to close all of unnecessary apps. So close all the apps of your recent app list, because if you have a lot of them opened, I'm pretty sure they're gonna slow down your phone heavily. The next thing is to use built-in cleaner app to clear cache. So find your security app. Here it is. In your security app, you're to press cleanup and let the cleaner do his job. So press cleanup and it cleaned all the cache, which is really nice. The next thing to do is to turn off all unused features. So scroll down, turn off your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, your location sharing, hotspot, whatever you have here and you don't use, turn them off, because it drains away your battery quite fast and it causes overheating. So if your phone is excessively hot, you can always restart it. Simply hold your power button and choose your reboot option. So swipe down to reboot your phone. The next good thing to do is to open up your settings, to go to your About Phone tab and to check whether you have any updates, because updates often include fixes for overheating issues. And the last variant, if nothing else works, you can perform a factory reset. So once again, open up your settings, open up your About Phone tab, scroll down to your factory reset, confirm your choice by pressing erase all data, and basically that's it. However, be sure to back up your data beforehand. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.